So, good morning. This is assessment for learning. This is module 5, or specially, this is again for revision. And some of the students they are asking for English medium, so I'll be taking English medium in this one. I'll be a bit fast. Before that, I request you to see all of the videos or go through the lessons. So let's start. What is assessment? So assessment is calculation, teaching and learning process, discovery, none of this. So it is teaching learning process. Assessment is part of teaching learning process. What is minimum? What is the meaning of measurement? What is the meaning of measurement? So measurement is to measure, it's a quantity, it is symbolic form, or all of the above. This is answer is D. It is quantitative in what you'll say measurement to quantify something, and this is symbolic form and all of these. Full form of CCE, continuous and comprehensive evaluation. Continuous is continue throughout the year. Comprehensive is scholastic and नॉन स्कोलास्टिक बोथ. केवल सब्जेक्ट ही असेस नहीं करने, सब्जेक्ट के साथ बच्चे की क्वालिटीज़, टीम लीडरशिप है या नहीं, कॉन्फिडेंस है या नहीं, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल कैसी है, ये सारा साथ में असेस करना. और कंटिन्यूस केवल ये नहीं कि साल के लास्ट में एग्ज़ाम ले लिए या 6 महीने में ले लिए. इट शुड बी थ्रू आउट ईयर. लेसन के बीच में यूनिट टेस्ट, क्विज, प्रेजेंटेशन. सो द आंसर इज सी. Which is the type of assessment? Analytical, formative, rating scale, and none of the above. इनमें से जो assessment है that is formative assessment. Formative is which is continuous with the teaching learning process. Summative is at the end of the exams. What is the meaning of evaluation? Investigate something, to mark something, setting prices or giving values, or all of the above. Yes, all of the above. Examination word is taken from which of the language? It is taken from Latin. Kothari Commission was built in which year? So it was 1964 when Kothari Commission was established. How many types of examination are there? So there can be many types, but the most popular is the written, the oral, and the practicals. So we can say all of these. NCF is presided over by whom? National Curricular Framework. It was presided over by Professor Yashpal Singh. And this NPE, this new curriculum which is being planned, it is chaired by Kasturi Rangan. Full form of NCF, National Curricular Framework. This was 2005. How many types of so let's continue with it. By which education objective is classified? By whom? Who has classified educational objectives? So this is Bloom taxonomy hai. One is cognitive, other is affective, and the third is active one, what we call body, the motor mechanism, action part. So that is D. How many domain behavior are there in classified? Domain जो behavior है उसमें कितने हैं? This is 3. Which of the following is not educational objective? Cognitive objective होते हैं, affective objective, functional होते हैं, क्रियात्मक जिसको हम बोलते हैं. Evaluation objective नहीं होते. This is the answer. Which of the following is objective of cognitive domain? Cognitive deals with the brain. Experiment, synthesis, analysis, all of the above. Which of the following is objective? इनमें से cognitive domain में कौन कौन है? So इनमें से experiment करना, synthesize करना और analysis करना, all of the above. Answer is D. Who had classified affective domain? ये कुलीग थे ब्लूम के. तो दिस इज कथवाल एंड मरिया. They classified affective domain. Affective is dealing with the feeling part, bhavatmak paks. Cognitive is brain, jnanatmak paks. And the third part is that is locomotor movements, kriyaatmak paks, what we call functional domain. What is the standardization examination? So जिसमें achievement test, diagnosis test, intelligence test, all of the above. This is standardized examination. When did Bloom classify educational objectives? So this was 1956. Bloom gave this taxonomy, though it was revised. Full form of NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training. National Council of Educational Research and Training. Which of the following is not an evaluation tool? इनमें से evaluation के लिए कौन सा यूज नहीं किया जाता? Communicative records, interviews, checklist. Measurement is not an evaluation tool. So D. Which is the characteristics of evaluation? Evaluation कैसी होनी चाहिए? What should be the characteristic? It should be valid. It should be formal, standardized. It should be reliable. Yes. It must have objectivity. इसमें subject involve नहीं होना चाहिए. Objective होनी चाहिए. Objectivity. All of this is the answer. What is summative assessment to be done? Summative. Summative is sum up. किसी भी चीज को end up करना. Terminal. लास्ट में जो होता है, पूरा साल हुआ तो उसके बाद जो एग्जाम होते हैं. In the beginning of the course, in between of the course, in the ending of the course, none of the above, in the ending of the course. And which one is evaluation technique? Consequential, qualitative, both A and B, none of this. So this is qualitative and quantitative, and answer is C, both A and B. What is the meaning of observation? Observation is to overview, किसी भी चीज को देखना. To see, observation, all of the above. Yes. What is the observation method to be called? Observation method normally हम क्या बोलेंगे? Search method, measurement method, biography method, none of this. C, biography method. Who had used the term participant for the first time? Lindemann, Moser, David and Wolf. This is Lindemann. So that's it. We will continue in the next video.